welcome to another episode of Only Dude in the House. So today is Saturday. It is the day that we head to the tree farm and pick out our annual Christmas tree. So this year we're gonna take, that's right, Big Blue. So I got some things I need to do this morning to just make sure that it's ready to go, because it is cold this morning. It's still about 35 degrees or so, and so I want to check the oil and check some different things, make sure it's good to go. It's only about 35 minutes, so probably 18 miles, 20 miles from here, and just going to take the back roads and enjoy the trip. Got a couple other things I want to do, but I'll show you what I got going on. So I wanted to put a wreath on the truck, so I got this little wreath that I don't even think we're really using for anything, some twine. So I'm going to put that up here in the front and run that just to have just kind of make it more festive. But first I'm going to go ahead and check the oil and everything. All right, just so you guys know, it was Wednesday. I meant to do a video and didn't do a good job of doing it. We were just having fun as a group, but my buddy Pastor Seth, we went over to his house and we were checking the timing on one of the guys in the youth group, Levi's truck, and I said, well, I've been wanting to check it on this big block too ever since I got it, because it hasn't ran very well, as you guys know from the previous videos. So we did a timing. We had a better timing light. Set it at 8 degrees of timing. We did move the cap over just a slight bit and set it right where it needed to be, and it was still running a little sluggish. And come to find out, back behind here, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a little vacuum hose back in there. Here we go, right there. See that line right here? Well, back in here, there's it drops. I can't get a very good view with the air cleaner on it. I don't feel like taking it off, but it drops down and it was open. And so we just took the cruise control box that sits right here, and we just took one of this extra line that wasn't really being used for anything. We just plugged it into that. Kind of thought maybe the cruise control would actually work. So you can see I actually got it tied into the thing here, but I might actually take that off, because I don't really want to run with that cruise control. I had a little bit of a throttle issue on my way back, but needless to say, it runs a lot better. And put a new filter on it, and then Pastor Seth had a new oil cap, a little bit shinier. So we just added a few things here and there and got the throttle set right, as opposed to what it was before. It used to be there was just a linkage up in this part right here instead of having this linkage. So we went to the store, $12 for that little piece. Ridiculous. So anyways, this morning I want to check the oil, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll go ahead and do a cold start. All right, well, I checked the oil. Seems like it might be a tad bit low, but I am on an angle, so I think it'll be fine. Might get a quart. But now that I took the air cleaner off, because I'm going to change this linkage, you can see right back in here, right there, where's that vacuum leak. And we just plugged that up, and it runs a whole lot better. But I'm going to go ahead and take this cruise control linkage off and get that out of the way, because I don't really want that cruise control on there if it doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to, there it is, get that cotter pin off and take it off, put it back on, and then we'll do a cold start. Okay, here we go. Everything's checking off. Took that cruise control linkage off. So now we're gonna start her up. I'd say 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the thunder. One more. There it goes. Definitely cold. Oh, got to shut her off. Fuel's leaking again. All right. It's not leaking now. One's leaking pretty good. Just a tiny bit. All right. Let's sit there and warm up for a little bit while I put this wreath on. Smells a whole lot better. All right, so a little trick my father taught me with a bar of soap. Stop the squeaky wheel. Try to get in the other one. Got it on, ready to go. There we go. Now we're looking festive. All right, all piled in, ready to go. All right, well, we made it. We're here at Holiday Farm, and we're just waiting for Mark and Tracy to get here so that we can head out. Got the saw ready to go out and cut something. It's way back in there. But got a little log cabin here, and this building over here has a whole bunch of different things for sale.
Want to go in the pavilion and stuff? Girls, you want to go
Kind
in?
of cool. Maybe if they had a hot chocolate.
I forgot.
All right, we found our tree.
You guys want to jump in?
That's it. That's behind them.
You don't know that?
Yeah, I'm just taking a video.
Wait, who was driving my
Grandpa, not me.
I thought that was him.
Haley.
No, it's not me.
I feel like Madison should be up front. She's shorter. Wait, you should
Now we're gonna cut down the tree.
You should get a photo of me doing a back walkover.
Go ahead.
But
They're
they're,
right in front of them.
A little bit lower than that.
but they're in the way.
Yeah.
Turd.
Still so much fun for me.
Straighten out that leg a little bit more.
You can do it in front of a different tree if you want.
Okay, get out of the way. They're cutting down the tree.
Where's my phone?
This and go throw it in the pile. Get her out of the way.
I do my slow-mo.
Wait, we can't. You two have to.
Why are you two?
On myself. Feel we're taking these to the pile.
Mark, what do you think you're doing? I'm helping them cut the tree down.
He wants to get involved.
Oh no, man.
What'd you say?
All right, I'm done.
I figured it wouldn't be long.
My hand's starting to hurt.
Yeah, I bet.
You go ahead and I'll push you back a little bit.
You're videotaping it, right?
Yeah.
I feel sick. I have a splinter and I'm bleeding out. And why are you not getting it out of me? Timber! I got it! You're welcome.
Push it. Push it.
Timber!
There it goes. Yeah.
Otherwise it's gonna be Madison, I got the perfect
Try to keep it straight, Haley. That'll get you
And it's
going
not
better.
a meat tenderizer.
Trying to cut this stump off. Haley's struggling at it.
Always try again.
Wait, I want to try.
All the girls want to try.
I want to try.
You know how to do it.
Pup and I are tired from cutting originally. These little hand saws are not fun to work with.
I feel like
They're
it's
not
gonna
fun, but they do a good job.
Okay, what do you do?
Back and forth.
Whoa, it's already stuck in there.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Look, you're fighting.
Okay, what are you supposed to do?
Oh my gosh.
Get on this end
That's it.
Pull yourself out.
and let it glide through there.
You got to be where he's at, Kim.
Yeah, come on.
You're pushing from the handle too much.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You will work the handle.
But you have to hold it here?
No, back here.
Both hands here.
Yeah. Push it.
Don't push too hard. Just let it glide.
Yeah, let it glide. There you go. You're getting it.
All right, Madison, get where they're at. Get where they're at, Madison.
Put all four of us on it.
Yeah, you're going to have a sappy hand now.
Make your hair sappy.
Yes, it is.
Make it all sappy in her hair.
No. Now I'm gonna have to take a shower again.
Well, duh. Stink butt.
Let Grandpa try to get started with that.
Now you need to be where he's at.
Grandpa's reliving his
Oh,
lumberjack.
here he is. Here to get the tree.
Unless she really enjoys that, she doesn't have to cut that.
Oh, they're trying.
That's what she wants. That's fine. I just,
Go on the other side and cut it back to it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, come back into it.
Go on the other side, hey.
Like go through the bark.
The other, like, put your.
It's okay. She's
I'm a
determined.
woman. Hear me roar.
She's golden.
Haley.
She's stubborn. That's the
is.
Kiefer blood.
No,
in
that's
her.
Kiefer, not Goldman.
I feel like Goldman would have just been like, nah, I'm good.
Goldman's would have snuck a chainsaw in.
Somehow.
They used to have one.
You can't. It's no chainsaw here.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Now
I'm
cut
gonna
that
put in this
opposite
pocket.
side.
What is, oh, that cup?
No, I got the cup in my pocket. This is the tag for the tree.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, Grandpa.
You're okay. Go ahead. You're not hurting me.
I want to twist it around.
You only got a little tiny bit left on it.
Just kick it. Hit it with your purse.
Got it.
Hit it with your purse.
He-Man gets it.
All right. I took down Kate's tree right there. That little stump is at. Right there. Right there. Anyways, we're all riding the wagon back. Beautiful day. What do you think? About 45 degrees right now, maybe? Too much weight. He had to shift down to first gear. That was a lot faster than last year. There we go. Well, that's going to be it for this episode.
Only dude in the house.
That's right. So we're going
We
up.
got another dude right here.
Yep. We're going to go up and pay for our tree and then get it loaded up. And so probably isn't necessarily the end of the episode because I'm sure we'll have video of putting in the tree. Forget that.
Get rid of that hat.
That's right. We're over here waiting for another
No blue.
wagon coming in over here.
It's already started. Let's see. Can we get an update?
All right. Well, now that's going to do it for this video. We've got the tree all loaded up, strapped down so it won't go anywhere. There's Kate's tree. So got her in here on Big Blue. We're just going to load up here in a second and head on home. Not sure if I'm going to get one of them burgers over there yet or not, but it smells good. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that video. Again, click and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the bell icon to get more notifications of videos like this. like this video and comment below if you have any comments or anything you want to add. We'll see you on the next one.